back, everyone, to Open Line. There's Barbara Boone McGinnis. We're talking elder law with elder law attorney Barbara Boone McGinnis. And Mike was on the line earlier, asked 3 questions, talked about Tennessee being a bad place to be, getting old and in poor health. And I think he wants to now say where he got that information. Hello, Mike.
Hey, Ben. Welcome back again.
Yes, welcome back.
Source from Forbes. One of the things was from Forbes Living, but the most recent is Retirement Living magazine 2020. Tennessee ranks number 17. I'm going to run down real quick the top 10. Arkansas, Florida, Alabama, South Carolina, West Virginia, Ohio, Delaware, Idaho, Kentucky, and Arizona. Those are the top 10, and Tennessee ranks number 17 of people over the age of 65. And that's a 2020 survey. And thanks for your time again.
All right, Mike. Thank you.
So it sounds like we're in the top half.
I think he's saying 17. We're in the bottom half. I think he means we're in the bottom half. But 17, yeah, we're 7. But yeah, I think, like you said, it depends on your resources, and that's where the problems lie. All right, what do you want people to take away? Let's say we have 3 minutes left here. What are some of the things we want to hammer home? 2 minutes. We have 2 minutes left.
2 minutes. I want people to plan. I want people to be proactive in thinking about how they want their end of their life to be, planning ahead, not to leave chaos for their family members to try to navigate, but to have thoughtful conversations and appropriate documents.
And you said that your office now was doing something, how did you describe it? Kind of
the fast track plan.
The fast track plan. What would be? How do you know if you're, in a situation where that would be something that would pertain to you?
Maybe you have some modest assets, a fairly straightforward that we're still married to our first and only spouse. We do not have special need children, but we want to do something pretty traditional, all to each other and then to the children. We can help with some basic wills and powers of attorney. Can't stress enough how important those powers of attorney are to managing periods of incapacity. It's not all about planning for dying. It's planning on living before you die and still having your family be able to make the decisions they want to make without getting the courts involved in a conservatorship.
Well, that is very good, and I think it's very important to talk about planning and being prepared. And I'm sorry about what happened with your mom, but thank you for sharing that.
Thanks.
And that's something we can all learn from. But thank you for coming on. As always good information. We'll come back and we'll give some information if people have other questions, but we will now take a break, come back, wrap everything up right after this.